Hi friends, this is mining support. In this session, I am going to discuss about pressure distribution or pressure drop across the trunk airways, splits or in district. Now, let me solve this question. In this circuit, there is two splits A and B here. This is named as split A and this is named as split B. The quantity were flowing through this question 30 cubic meter per second, the quantity flowing through split A, and 20 cubic meter per second quantity will flow through split B. This is QB, this is QA, and pressure of 600 pascal across splits. There is required pressure of PA 600 pascal. Same here, PB is equals to 600 pascal, and also the given data is here. The pressure drop across the trunk airway is 1000 pascal. This is trunk, this is the trunk airway. Okay, in this figure this is drawn as trunk airway and the pressure drop across the trunk is 1000 pascal, and also given data is here. The calculate the pressure and power of booster fan in split A, मीन्स स्प्लिट ए में हमारा बूस्टर फैन को लगाया गया है स्प्लिट ए में. ओके, तो व्हाट आर द चेंजेस वेयर कम थ्रू दिस क्वेश्चन, how much quantity will disturb through split B. So we can see here by solving this problem. There is total pressure will come from total pressure will be how much 1000 pascal is the trunk pressure and 600 pascal pressure across the splits. So total pressure is 1600 pascal, and we can also represent resistance of trunk and total pressure, that is 1600. We can draw this by drawing circuit diagram. You can represent it. This is trunk pressure and pressure of splits A and B, and all total will be, trunk can be represented by dash P dash, and whole this is P total pressure. Now we can calculate resistance of trunk. Resistance of trunk, this is equals to P by Q square. Trunk resistance is how much? 1000 pascal, and the total quantity will distributed QA and QB will be distributed by Q trunk. Okay, then Q trunk will be Q trunk resistance, trunk quantity will be quantity A plus quantity B. Okay, we can use this in this figure. QA plus QB raised to the power 2, we can get 30 plus 20 raised to the power 2 means square. We get here 50 square. Now after solving this, 2 by 5. Now again the condition is here. Considering unboosting across split B, means considering booster fan not allowing air across split B, or considering unboosting across split B, get here pressure of trunk plus pressure of split B, that is equals to total pressure. We use this formula. Now P is equals to Q square R. We know P is equals to Q square R. We can use here quantity of trunk into resistance of trunk plus quantity of split B into resistance of split B, that is equals to 1600. If booster fan is not allowing air, then quantity will become 0 across the split B, as there is booster across split A, so no quantity will pass through across split B, and whole pressure will become 0 across split B, and quantity of trunk will come by solving this. Quantity of trunk square into 0.4 is the resistance of trunk. Trunk resistance is given here 0.4. By solving this and this is 1600. Quantity of trunk square is equals to 1600 divided by 0.4. This is equals to 0.4 Newton second square meter to the power -8. You know this unit, Newton second square meter to the power -8. This is the unit of resistance. Now quantity of trunk will become, after solving this, QT will become 63.24 cubic meter per second. This is the quantity of trunk, and the quantity of trunk will be on considering this split A. Now we can consider again here considering boosting across split A. Considering boosting across split A, pressure across trunk, pressure across split A, that is equals to total pressure when pressure will be improved by how much? Pressure of booster. When pressure booster will add in the split A, then pressure will become improved. Pressure will be improved by how much? We can see here by putting quantity of trunk will becomes equal to quantity of PA split A, that is Q total quantity of trunk into resistance split A, and 1600 is the total pressure we calculated earlier. And now this is the pressure drop across, pressure generated by booster. 63.24 raised to the power 2 into 0.4 is the resistance of trunk, plus quantity of trunk is how much? 63.4, because quantity of A is equals to quantity of trunk, as no air will pass through split B. Okay, QB becomes 0. In that case, quantity of trunk will becomes quantity of split A. So we can use this in quantity of A. In place quantity of A, we can use quantity of trunk air. Resistance 0.67. Resistance of split A is 0.67. We can calculate it, resistance of split A, by using the formula resistance is equals to P by Q square, QA square. P is here how much? 600 by quantity across split A is 30 square, that is 6 by 9, which is equals to 0.67 Newton second square meter to the power -8. So 1600 plus pressure of booster. Now we can find, after solving this problem, pressure of booster will be how much? 26880 Pascal. And now we need to find power of booster fan. The power of booster fan is equals to P into Q, pressure into quantity. Pressure is 2680 into quantity 63.24. Now we can calculate 1694.832, that is equals to 169483.2. Here is point. Now we can shift the point up 3 digit, so 832 kilowatt is the right answer. This question will also ask how much size of booster. Then you can apply pressure into quantity, pressure of booster, and quantity of split. A across booster is used, where booster is used. So this is the final of the question. Thank you for watching this video.